Imagine this. A loved one passes away and you discover they left a will. You might think that's reassuring, but what if it's a homemade will, scribbled on a piece of paper at home? Suddenly, uncertainty sets in. Who wrote it? Was it signed correctly? Does it reflect their true wishes? Homemade wills are convenient, but they often lead to disputes. Take the case of John, for example. He wrote a will at home, leaving everything to one of his children. When he passed away, his other children argued it wasn't valid. The signature was messy, the witnesses weren't independent, and John had been unwell at the time. The family ended up in court, spending months and thousands of pounds, all because the will wasn't professionally drafted. So why do homemade wills cause so many problems? First, there's the legal formalities. In England and Wales, a valid will must be signed in front of 2 independent witnesses. Miss that, and the will can be challenged. Homemade wills often cut corners or overlook these rules. Then there's clarity of intent. Did the person really understand what they were doing? Was there pressure from a family member or carer? Courts examine these situations closely. Fraud is another risk. Homemade wills are just easier to forge or manipulate because they often lack the professional safeguards that a solicitor provides. This can spark disputes between family members who feel someone has acted improperly. At Blackstone Solicitors, we see the consequences all too often. Families torn apart, estates frozen, and wishes left unfulfilled. A professionally drafted will reduces uncertainty, ensures legal compliance, and, helps prevent conflict. The takeaway is clear. A homemade will might seem simple, but it carries real risks. If you want your estate to be distributed as you intend, it's worth seeking professional advice. Protect your legacy and save your family from unnecessary stress and disputes. Blackstone Solicitors, protecting estates, resolving disputes, safeguarding legacies.